Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my English class. How are you? I hope that you all are fine. I am also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Okay, dear students. Now you are going to enjoy another English class with me. At first, I want to be introduced with you. Here on the screen you can see my identity. I am MD Munirjon Akoli, as teacher in English at Sultan Ahmed Ali Girls High School, Khulna. Okay, dear students, get ready with your pen and notebook. Our lesson identity. Now I am going to take a class for the students of class 10. Subject is first paper. Our topic is paragraph. You can see some pictures on the screen. Can you say what are they doing in the pictures? I think you will be able to answer my question. They are planting trees. From the picture we can see that here they are planting trees. You can see another picture. So our today's lesson is tree plantation. Our learning outcomes. After studying this lesson, you will be able to tell what tree plantation is, describe the importance of tree plantation, tell about the effect of deforestation, and finally you will be able to write a paragraph. You can see a picture here. You can see trees. Trees are the most important element of nature and environment. You can see some pictures where we cannot think a healthy environment without trees. What can you see in the picture? In the picture you can see that tree is our most intimate friend. Here you can see a program on tree plantation. So tree plantation is most essential and important for us. What can you see in the picture? Tree plantation means planting or growing trees. We should plant tree for our existence as we cannot live without oxygen. Trees are the factory of receiving carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen. It provides us with shade, food, medicine and furniture. We feel our thirst of taste with interesting foods all the year round. We feel delight with the beauty of flowers and sweet smell. It keeps us physically fit, providing medicine and herbs. Moreover, it protects river oceans. It gives shelter to the birds and beasts. It ensures the ecological balance of our environment. We should plant all kinds of trees like medicinal tree, flower, because it is the tree plantation week. July 1st is the tree plantation week every year. Deforestation and all living beings will lose their existence without trees. So, the importance of tree plantation is easily realized. That's why we should plant trees more and more in any space to keep an unused place by the side of the house made highway. Homework, our today's homework, you will write a paragraph on the importance of tree plantation with the information you learned from your class. Thank you very much. Okay, dear students, see you again in our next class. Thank you all.